guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for an Egypt e-visa on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, so please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Egypt e-visa portal. I have shown you this how to do it on a desktop environment, but now we are going to see in the mobile environment. So the very first thing I would suggest you is to go for FAQ. The reason is, before you apply for a visa, you may have a lot of questions like what is an e-visa, who requires a visa, types of visa, price, fee, requirements. Okay, so these questions can be answered here. Okay, who requires, okay, so nationals of the countries listed below may be issued an e-visa. Okay, so check your nationality is here or not. Okay, all right, now once you are ready, tap on get your e-visa now. So it's asking you to sign in. Okay, so if you don't have an account, tap on create a new account. First name is mandatory, last name. Okay, email, confirm your password, and then you need to do the captcha and sign up. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So guys, after your account is verified, you can log in. Okay, and you get this. Okay, where you can click on start a new application, traveling information, applicant information, hosting, traveling information. So first is application type. So if you're going for as a single, put single, family, family, group, group. Okay, visa type, tourism, entry type. I select single, but based on your requirement. Traveling from, departure. So let's say you're going from Canada. Expected arrival date. Let's say we are going sometime in May 28. Yeah. Departure. Let's say we are leaving sometime in June 18. Okay, 20 days around. Next. Applicant details. Okay, first name, surname. Okay, full Arabic name, it's not mandatory, so I'll just leave it. Date of birth, country of birth, current original nationality. Do you have other nationality? I select no, but if you have, definitely provide that. Profession, marital status, I select single. So I'm gonna just fill up some sample and then I'm gonna see. So I put some sample, country of birth, nationality. Okay, profession. Next is asking for the passport type. So I select ordinary. Place of issue, again it shows country. So all the details guys should match with your passport. Okay, because you don't want any last minute confusion, and every detail that you enter, verify it at least 2 times, because a lot of time people do minor mistakes then struggle. Have you visited before? No. Okay, have you ever been deported from Egypt to any country before? I select no. Okay, now before I go to contact details, I'll put a sample passport number. I put some sample details, contact details, email, phone number, address. Okay, so I'm going to put email, phone number and address, your contact details. Supporting documents, passport they have asked. Okay, and then we are going to click on save update applicant. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. So the applicant is added. Now I can tap on next. You want to save the data. Okay, it's always good to save. Okay. Oh. Okay, now I've gone to the next, where I have to put the host details. Okay, select your host type, family, tourism company, self, other. So if you're going for the tourism company, you can do this. Other, like if you have done hotels or now something, that you can do. Tourism company, then provide some details. You need to put your email address and who's gonna pay for the money. Okay, so I have selected himself, but if any other host, sponsor and else is paying, you can put it. The page is bit slow guys, but next is gonna be the payment. So of course I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this using your mobile device. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.